Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into 5 insanely delicious chocolate dessert recipes. Get ready for a sugar rush because these treats are drool-worthy. If you think life's too short to say no to chocolate, hit that like button and subscribe. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Now let's get this chocolate party started. First up, the dark chocolate tart with a twist. Start with a buttery, crumbly crust. Mix 1½ cups of crushed graham crackers, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and a pinch of salt. Press it into your tart pan. For the filling, chop 10 ounces of good quality dark chocolate. Heat 1 cup of heavy cream and 1/4 cup of sugar until the sugar dissolves. Pour the hot cream over the chocolate, let it sit for 5 minutes, then whisk until smooth. Pour the mixture into the crust and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Dust with powdered sugar, add fresh raspberries, and enjoy. Next, a Snickers bar cake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9x 13-inch pan. For the cake base, whisk together 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1½ cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and ½ a teaspoon of salt. In another bowl, combine 1 cup of buttermilk, ½ a cup of oil, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1 cup of coffee. Mix wet and dry ingredients until just combined. Pour into the pan and bake for 35 minutes. Let the cake cool completely. Poke holes in the cake and drizzle with sweetened condensed milk. Sprinkle chopped, salted peanuts, spread a layer of peanut butter, and top with chocolate frosting. Refrigerate for at least an hour. Trust me, the anticipation is worth it. This cake is a Snickers lover's dream. Enjoy every bite. Chocolate banoffee pie, the ultimate banana treat. Crush 10 chocolate graham crackers and mix with 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Press into a 9-inch pie plate and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 8-10 minutes. Let it cool. For the caramel, cook 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water until amber colored. Add ½ a cup of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Pour into the crust. Slice 2 to 3 bananas and arrange over the caramel. Top with whipped cream and sprinkle with cocoa powder. Refrigerate for 2 hours and enjoy. Chocolate Swiss roll, the perfect swirl of heaven. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and line a 10x 15-inch baking sheet with parchment paper. Whisk 4 eggs and 3/4 cup of sugar until thick. Sift in 3/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Fold gently and pour onto the baking sheet. Bake for 10-12 minutes. Invert onto a towel dusted with powdered sugar and roll up. Let cool. For the filling, beat 1 cup of heavy cream, 8 ounces of mascarpone, and ½ a cup of powdered sugar until stiff. Unroll the cake, spread the filling, and re-roll. Drizzle with melted chocolate and sprinkle with pistachios. Chocolate fudge cake. Get ready for a chocolate overload. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9x 13-inch pan. Combine 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In another bowl, whisk 1 cup of buttermilk, ½ a cup of oil, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of hot coffee. Mix wet and dry ingredients, then add 1 cup of boiling water. Pour into the pan and bake for 35 minutes. Let cool. Frost with chocolate buttercream and decorate as desired. This cake is a chocolate lover's dream. Alright guys, there you have it. 5 insanely delicious chocolate dessert recipes. From the classic dark chocolate tart to the over-the-top Snickers bar cake, there's something for everyone. Try making all 5 and fall in love with chocolate all over again. Grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's get baking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite recipe. See you in the next video.